Okay, if you have a Millermatic 211, alright, first time I ever had to take it apart, this is what it looks like. The cord in the back. Had to hold it to the right so that it would stay on, which means the wire inside there was broken. This was also loose, so I put Loctite on this plastic nut, but I leave my hose hooked up. I never take my hose off because this is a shitty design for Miller and it doesn't lock in from the inside. So this is what I did. Pushed my argon hose on further, held this with a pair of pliers as I tightened the nut with Loctite. I held this with pliers as I tightened the lock nut on the ring, and that tightened that fitting. Took the ground wire off with the 7/16 socket. The black wire, I marked it, took that off. The white wire, marked it with silver. And I took the white wire off, white, black, brown, pulled the wire out, and I put new ends on it, and this was what had happened. The wire had frayed inside, and this one had completely snapped from the years of usage. And this was your stock ground. So I cut all the wire back, put new spade connectors on there, the new ground eyelid on there, tightened it up. It's really easy. One bolt here, a couple bolts all the way around. They're all the same size, 5/16. Here's all the screws. And the case just comes right off, just like this. And it goes right back on, just like this. And you put the bolts back in. No need to take out the bolts for the handle. The handle stays on. Took me about 10 minutes. Now this is tight once again. Like I said, I never take my hose off. I keep 30 feet of hose connected to my regulator with my machine, or I disconnect it for 10 feet of hose. And then now my electrical cord is about 8 inches shorter, but yeah, good to go. No more shorted out wire, nice and tight. I'll put the screws in and I'm back in business, and I didn't have to pay for a repair. Hope this helps you guys out.